Monotropa uniflora, also known as ghost plant, ghost pipe, or Indian pipe, is an herbaceous perennial plant native to temperate regions of Asia, North America, and northern South America, but with large gaps between areas. The plant was used by some native North American Indian tribes for medicinal purposes. Cherokee tribes, for instance, reportedly used the pulverized root as an anticonvulsive, while the Mohegans used an infusion of the root or leaves as an analgesic. The Cree chewed the flower as a remedy for toothache. Indian pipes are unusual in that they do not photosynthesize. Instead, they are mycoheterotrophic, meaning they obtain nutrients by parasitizing a type of fungi that associate with plant roots. These mycorrhizal fungi help the plants take up water and nutrients that might otherwise be inaccessible to the plants. While ghost pipe grows wild in most of the United States, except the Southwest, sightings are rare and each plant blooms for just 1 week annually. The other 51 weeks each year this mysterious plant lives completely underground. This month's fungus is Monotropa uniflora. The ghost plant, also known as Indian pipe, is not a fungus at all, but is often brought into forays and by students thinking it must be a fungus because it's white and doesn't have any chlorophyll. Ghost pipe has no chlorophyll, it cannot photosynthesize. It obtains its nutrients from a fungus that in turn lives in association with neighboring trees. Transport of nutrients occurs through the network of fungal hyphae. Many fungi and trees have this symbiotic relationship, known as a mycorrhizal relationship. Ghost plants are an excellent source of calcium to strengthen bones and teeth and magnesium to maintain optimum nerve and muscle functioning. The fleshy leaves also contain a high water content and malic acid, a natural acid commonly found in some fruits and vegetables. Plant is edible raw. Raw plant has a bland taste. Cooked plant has a taste like asparagus. Ghost plant thrives in sunlight, so choose a location where it will receive full or half-day sun. When grown as a house plant, keep it near a south, east, or west window. Some people prefer to keep their ghost plant trimmed to create a fuller shape. The ghost pipe, also called the ghost plant or corpse plant, is a perennial wildflower that gets its name from its shape and its pure, pale white color. Unlike most other plants, this species does not produce chlorophyll, the green pigment used for photosynthesis. Cultivating Indian pipe is very difficult, if not impossible. Plants that are transplanted from the wild are highly unlikely to survive. Abundant woodland humus and the presence of appropriate fungi are required for survival. Because Indian pipe does not rely on photosynthesis, it can adapt to deep shade. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.